Guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. It's today's video. We are here to make Zobo. So as you can see in the video, we are using 2 packs of Zobo. Open it and pour it into your bowl. After pouring it, you are going to wash it until it's thoroughly clean and nice. Add your water and make sure that it is well washed, clean and nice. Wash it thoroughly and make sure it is well washed and clean. So after enough washing, what you have to do is to transfer it into your big pot and transfer it into your pot and wash it. Bring it out and transfer it into your bigger pot. After transferring it, you go in with some clean water inside the pot. Make sure it is well covered with water. After enough cover, press it in the gas. Add some cloves and some cinnamon seed. I don't have cinnamon stick, so I added cinnamon powder. Add it and bring out your pineapple. Wash it thoroughly. Make sure it is well washed. Wash your ginger. Make sure everything is washed, clean and nice. Then the next thing is to slice, because we are going to peel off the back and we are going to be needing the back. So peel it. Make sure it is well peeled and nice thoroughly. Then after enough peeling, what you have to do is to set it aside. Then go back to the pot and grab the pineapple back leaf and place it into your pot. After pouring it into your pot, then the next thing is to cover it and allow the Zobo to come to a boil. After enough cooking, you stir it and make sure it is well stirred. Cover it again. Let's go back to the pineapple. We are going to slice this pineapple and we are going to cook it to our blender to blend until it is thoroughly blended and nice. After enough blending, then we'll go back to our sweetener. We remove the seed inside. After removing the seed, we transfer it into our blender and blend until it is well smooth. After enough blending, I took it direct to my Zobo that is on the fire. I pour it there and I stir it and make sure that it is well combined and nice. Stir it thoroughly. Make sure it is well stirred, combined together. After enough stirring, you are going to cover it again and allow it to cook on our own. After you have finished stirring it, cover it. After enough cooking, then I bring it down. I bring out my filter. Then I pour it and I bring out the excess juice inside the Zobo. Make sure the juice is well out and nice. Zobo is a very good and nice juice. It tastes so amazing because you have all the whole ingredients there. After that, set it aside and stir it and combine it together. Now we are going to be filtering it. So you grab your filter or your sieve cloth. You filter it thoroughly. Make sure it is well filtered and nice. Filter it and make sure it is well filtered. If you have not followed me on my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you follow me on my YouTube channel? Subscribe in the subscribe button below and always give me your beautiful comments. Then after enough filter, then we are going to bring out our pineapple juice that we already blend. We are going to filter it direct to the Zobo. Make sure it is well filtered and nice. Filter it thoroughly until you remove the excess shelf. Go in with 2 spoons of sugar and stir and combine together. After enough stirring, our Zobo is ready. Transfer it into our container. Place it in the fridge and allow it to cool for overnight. You are going to enjoy your Zobo. Allow it to cool overnight, guys. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and don't forget to give me some like and some thumbs up. Our Zobo juice is ready. Eat with us, enjoy with us. The may bless and stay tuned. Bye.